Heading out of town for the weekend and worried about your leafy companions back home? You're not alone. Plant lovers everywhere know the anxiety of leaving their green friends unattended, especially when it comes to keeping them watered. But what if you could leave home with peace of mind, knowing your plants are getting just the right amount of moisture, even while you're away? With a simple DIY self-watering system, you can, and all it takes is a plastic bottle and a few minutes of your time. Start by finding a plastic bottle that matches the size of your plant. For smaller houseplants or herbs, a 500 milliliter or 1 liter bottle works well. Larger pots or garden beds may need bigger bottles or several of them. The beauty of this hack lies in its simplicity and versatility. No fancy equipment or special skills required. Next, grab a small nail or a sturdy needle. Carefully heat the tip over a lighter or the flame from your stove. This step isn't just for show. The heat helps the metal glide smoothly through the plastic, making it easier to create small, precise holes. Once the tip is hot, poke 2 or 3 tiny holes right into the bottle cap. These holes are crucial. They control the flow of water, ensuring it seeps out slowly rather than gushing and flooding your soil. Now, fill the bottle with clean water, screw the cap back on tightly, flip the bottle upside down, and you're ready for the final step. Gently push the cap end of the bottle into the soil near your plant, burying it a few inches deep. If the soil is compacted, use a stick or your finger to make a starter hole. The goal is to anchor the bottle securely so it can deliver water directly to the plant's roots. And that's it! Your homemade irrigation system is set up and ready to go. As the soil dries out, it draws small amounts of water from the bottle through those tiny holes, keeping the moisture level steady for days. There's no complicated setup, no need for timers or electricity, just gravity, science, and a little bit of ingenuity. This method works wonders for all kinds of plants, from cheerful succulents on your windowsill to lush ferns on your balcony. If you're tending to a larger pot or a sprawling garden bed, use several bottles spaced evenly around the base of the plant. For longer trips, simply use bigger bottles or check to make sure the soil is thoroughly moist before you leave. Not only does this trick save your plants from thirst, but it's also a great way to give new life to those empty plastic bottles. Instead of tossing them in the recycling bin, you're turning them into a practical, sustainable watering tool. It's a small step towards reducing waste and a big win for your plants. So, the next time you're getting ready for a trip, don't let plant care be another thing on your stress list. With this easy DIY, you can leave home knowing your plants are soaking up just the right amount of hydration. No more coming back to wilted leaves or parched soil. Just healthy, happy greenery waiting to welcome you home. Try it out, share the idea with your fellow plant enthusiasts, and see just how effortless plant care can be. Your plants might not say thank you out loud, but the vibrant, thriving leaves will be all the thanks you need. Happy travels and happy growing.